जाओ ना हिंदी जाओ जाओ जाओ
नागरिक सुरक्षा बाहिनी विश्वजित देवर मानव बुझाई महाराज
अरे आखे संग्राम चले ना Barikha Saha Tako Beswaje de Burma Bungno 21 tarik Panisagor Roto Pol Buthai Do Sai Buthai Da Aso Parjanto Khiye MC Nidar Bro Abo cerita aku Biswajit de Burma ni sa kau yang patio Bro itu carkio bro buthayu Arone Sorkhat Bro ni sa kau MC Nidar Bro ni sa kabay Nagari Suraksa Morchar ni Nidar ni sa kau Bro dol ni sa kau Dai Pepoi Sorkar RS Khini Oko Nagorik Suraksa Bhai Misau Commission Ram Biswajit Devar Manav Buthai Maharas Makhena Are kya andolon chole na Biswajit Devar Mani no Puro Diman Kema Puron Khemari na We want justice Nagorik Suraksa Manch Bhai Misau Commission Ram Biswajit Devar Manav Buthai Maharas Makhena Biswajit Devar Mani no Puro Diman Kema Puron Khemari na Are kya andolon chole na Biswajit Devar Mani no Puro Diman Kema Puron Khemari na andolon chole na by central government this area nimjotoi nai mude abadai matoi na IDP people run of Tripura by central government this area nimjotoi nai abadai kematoi na IDP people run of Tripura by central government this area nimjotoi nai abadai kematoi na are kole na we want Nagorik Suraksa Devar Mani no Puro Diman Kema Puron Khemari na IDP people run of Tripura by central government this area nimjotoi nai abadai kematoi na Nagorik Suraksa Devar Mani no Puro group na bosuna makenai we want justice we want justice
apa ni hoi de la ba
कैंडलाइटिंग किए रैली किए मेन रोड से थाइए स्कूल देखिए डीएस देखिए आनंद बाजार दिए मोटर से नो Tawo su phele ha. Angbaye jo to ni bis kango. Hak samoni kau sai.
Joto orang sah, admin kah?
Faz pepe aku. Kada ni nare ke thera.
Kau sah bang to.
Jo to no sare kaham. Ini te
I, on behalf of Tripurasa of Dargang region, with heart and soul, express our sorrow and pay homage to late Vishwajit Devarma, who was brutally murdered by Joint Action Committee, Nagorik Surakha Manch, and Mizu Convention. For this, I would like to convey a crystal and succinct message to this unrecognized organization who are spreading rumors and carrying out violence activity leading
people to miscreant and creating chaos in the social well-being, disturbing whole ecosystem of livelihood. For this reason, I would like to appeal the government of Tripura to immediately arrest this type of culprit. Secondly, I would like to appeal the government of Tripura to uproot totally to this type of unorganized organization who are carrying mischievous activities and carrying out barbaric activity, disturbing the whole people and whole nation as a whole. Today, with the grief, I again want to remind Surakha Mons and Mizo Convention. You too have the right to oppose any act if the act is against the society. But you must remember, you must not forget that any movement should be conducted democratically. If not, first of all, you must learn what is Constitution. There is no one above the Constitution. So kindly, I suggest Nagorik Surakha Mons and Mizo Convention, please go through the Constitution again. First of all, you must know the Constitution. You should know the Constitution. Then only come out for any type of movement. Why create disturbance in the society? Why you people murder innocent people? For this reason, again, I would like to appeal to the government of Tripura to immediately arrest these people as soon as possible and uproot this Nagorik Surakha Mons, Mizo Convention, so that in future such type of activity, such type of moral act does not sustain in our society.